Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks, getting it ready for the week of July 11th through the 17th. And this week I'll be using a combination of stickers from According to Ellie. I'll be using some from Fandom, How Far I'll Go, as well as her hibiscus stickers. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is, using the fountain pens this week, it'll be my Esterbrook JR in the Fantasia, as well as my Lamy All-Star Vista, and it still has the extra fine nib in here, and it has Pilot Oroshizuku Kosumosu in there. So I'm gonna write in the days of the week. It's just a little bit of a touch, but I think it makes such a difference. And I'm just now feeling that there is a lot of bulk on this part of the Hobonichi weeks and a lot up here and then not so much in the middle, so I definitely need to work on remedying that. And then in my Esterbrook, I've got Diamine Blue Velvet. So I think the two colors are going to match with the Fandom stickers perfectly this week. Oh, love that ruler. Where is the ruler? Oh no! Here we go. So I'm going to do it with the blue. You guys hear a lot of noise in the background. My nephew and Henry are playing in the next room. And you know, 6 and 7-year-old boys. Okay. I want to put this big massive wave down here, or here. This is a gorgeous sticker. It's a little stuck though, hold on. Okay, so just making sure I am still recording. I'm gonna move that bookmark out of the way. I feel bad though, because I just wrote that in. So maybe I'll put it on this side. Yes. Oh, gorgeous. I'm going to combine one of the hibiscus florals down here with one of the colored hibiscus here. Oh, I love that. And then, if you guys aren't familiar with How Far I'll Go, it's from Moana. I'm gonna add that green here. And then I feel like it feels very plain down here. So I'm going to maybe add another hibiscus. And this time to the top corner. Ah, where's that blue from? Is that from my pen? Oh, of course it is. And I'm gonna add a seashell. Maybe I add the seashell down here. I should have added this here actually. Shouldn't be that hard to choose where to put a sticker, but you guys know how it is. Okay, just go down. I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna use the rest of these in my Hobonichi cousin and partly in the daily spreads as well. So this section I use for notes, and see, look at how beautiful the colors match. So I'm gonna go ahead and write in my meetings for the week, and then I'll be right back. So there is my overall finished spread. I actually really like that. I love all the bright colors and I love how the inks match perfectly with the stickers. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this very quick plan with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.